Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same.
This is a little bit scary. I know what you want to do. I know what you want to do. That means nothing. A few seconds difference. A few seconds. Hi guys, here is Miana. Today, of course, we're gonna be still using some strategies. Still, I hope not losing some money and getting some profit. And I will play a little bit more maybe with the strategy today because we already kinda used to all of these indicators, so a little bit of changing, it may actually not simplify our life. But we are okay with that because we want something fun. Let's try it. We are right here and right now with a 1 minute interval, me being after my 2 trainings already today, so I feel energized and exhausted at the same time. I don't know how that's possible, but this is the reality of my life. Going with all these currency pairs with the biggest payout, we actually already finished all this stuff with the indicators. It's gonna be ADX, Accelerator, Oscillator, and Alligator. So this, I'm sorry, that's gonna be Oscillator, Alligator, and ADX. Playing with the periods, not say that it's like changing it, fixing, just playing, because sometimes that's really accidental. A little bit, way smaller. Save it, and then we go into the ADX setups. Okay, and that is a little bit of fixing it. Look at the whole chart. Okay, none of it. That's done, and we're done. So, are we ready? Are we ready? Look at it. Bunch. That's the mass at the ADX situation. So we do expect some changing. That's the red color candles from the oscillator. And I must say Alligator also looks like it's gonna be the downward trend. I must say the Alligator, the blue line of the Alligator is a little bit messy. But even without it, I mean, it's not proving me wrong or something like that. But anyway, that's a bit of mess. And with only ADX, I think, when you can see all the lines are getting closer and getting crossed, that means that we will have some change. It's going to be not that convenient to see what change. Is it going to be rising or falling? Of course, it depends on the chart. But anyway, I think this oscillator or any types of indicators with these candles really helpful because it's giving us, okay, that's going to be the changing, and if that is just the red color candles, that's going to be for the falling, and if that is the green color candles, that's going to be for the rising. I hope it's like that because I read it like that, and we will prove me right or wrong. We will see. This one is done. That was easy. I mean, that was easy. We're going next. Oh, that's the mass, and once again, that's the mass with the red candles, but I went to the upward trend, so it's not that perfect. I mean, look at these ADX lines; they are at the bottom. That means something. That means something, and we can see this blue line. I think it's the blue one because I forgot what was the color of the key line right there. When you're switching the colors, sometimes it's not that good. And we have been already seeing the oscillator candles. It was red, but They were actually at the maximum size. No, not at the maximum. I mean, anyway, look at this mass. We are not rising. We are not getting downward. We are just at the same bar. Finally. Yeah, the blue line. We need the blue line. Okay, here we are with the alligator. This dark blue line is crazy. Going somewhere else. This one is the crazy one. That's gonna be it. I know what you wanna do. You wanna see the bottom and you wanna see the break-in, but I don't think it's gonna be just like that. We see some crazy chart. ADX lines. I hope so. What if I'm wrong? I hope so, because I don't like this Oscillator green candle. Seems like we are at the bottom. Yes, definitely. But maybe we don't have any signals that we're gonna be completely going upward. Let us check it. By now, I am just doing fine. Oscillator candles actually getting really green, getting really upward, and they're trying to cross the ground level. But still, that means nothing. And this is a little bit scary. Because how can we trust it? Of course, I do predict that after that, it's going to be, okay, we are closer and closer and closer to this upward trend. But when? Why? And when? Fast. Let's make that fast. Raising once again and going for the upward trend. That's the messy. That's the messy mess. And look at this Oscillator candles. That's messy because we don't go with these waves upward, downward. We don't go like that. So I think all this big tendency is to go upward. Just because we are just right there, the candles are not getting lower. And the whole lines of the ADX, they're kind of in the middle somewhere. Oh, that's the crazy one. Alligator, I'm not sure if it's kind of really helpful. Right here, I am a little bit, that's 1,700. That's one, a few seconds difference. A few seconds difference. I have the goosebumps. Oh, 3,200. Continue and done. I'm overwhelmed. I am overwhelmed. So that was funny, only in the beginning. But when you are so about to lose what you actually earned, it's not that funny, especially with the last and a kind of really big bet. So that was crazy. Anyway, I just ruined the alligator, and I hope you noticed that. That was the bad alligator. But anyway, the combination of ADX and any candle indicator is nice and promising one. Maybe not this one, maybe not with these periods, but it's really, really nice one. So don't forget all these links below this video or just in my bio. I am right there, patiently waiting to give all the signals and support.